Hey guys, if you are having trouble with the stranger camera loading on Omegle, you are not alone. Many users have reported this issue, and in this video we will show you some simple steps to fix it. Step number 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Omegle requires stable internet connection for the video chat to work. If you are on a weak or unstable connection, it may cause stranger connection to drop. It may cause the stranger camera to keep reloading. So try switching to a better internet connection and see if that solves the problem. Now step number 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes browser cache and cookies can cause issue with Omegle video chat feature. So try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Here's how you can do it. Step number 3. Disable any browser extension or plugins. If you have any browser extension or plugins that may interfere with Omegle's video chat feature, try disabling them. Some extensions like ad blocker or privacy focus extension may block the camera from loading. Disable them and try again. Step number 4. Try a different browser. If none of the above steps work, try using a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility issues can cause the stranger camera to keep loading. So try using different browser and see if that fixes the problem. And that's it. Those are some simple steps you can take to fix the stranger camera keeps loading on Omegle. Try this step one by one and see which one best work for you. If you have any other tips or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.